Okay, before I go to bed, Jesus or God, I want to tell you, I really don't want the Chargers, the San Diego Chargers, to go to LA. They ain't no busters. We wear the navy blue, not the Dodger blue. Not the navy blue. You get the point. But anyways though, Jesus, please don't make the Chargers go to LA on Thursday to play in the LA Galaxy soccer stadium. It's football, American football, it's not soccer. But please, let them stay. Please, let them stay in San Diego. Save them boats, please. Amen.
Breaking news. It is the official end of the San Diego Chargers. Just minutes ago, look at this. The team changed their Twitter name to the Los Angeles Chargers and tweeted.
What? We in LA now? What? What the? What? No! No! We cannot be in LA! We don't wear Dodger blue, we wear navy blue, baby! I can't do this no more! I can't do this no more! Save them boats, baby! We out.